Hello everyone, welcome to my video lesson. The greatest common factor or GCF of a set of whole numbers is the biggest among the factors that the numbers have in common. There are ways to find the greatest common factor or the GCF of 2 to 4 numbers. But before we can find the greatest common factor of 2 to 4 numbers, we have to know first the common factors of a given set of numbers. What are factors? These are the numbers we can multiply together to get another number. Example, 2 times 3 equals 6. The number 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. A number can have many factors. Example, 12. Maraming mga numbers na kapag minultiply, ang sagot ay 12. Example, 3 times 4 is 12. 3 and 4 are factors of 12. Also, 2 times 6 equals 12. So, 2 and 6 are also factors of 12. And 1 times 12 is 12. So, 1 and 12 are factors of 12 as well. Let's find the GCF or the greatest common factor of 60, 80, and 48. Through listing method, list down all the factors of 60, 80, and 48. Ano yung mga number na kapag pinag-multiply natin, ang sagot ay 60. Next, the factors of 80. We have here mga number na kapag minultiply natin, ang sagot ay 80. We also have here the factors of 48. Ito naman yung mga number na kapag pinag-multiply natin, ang sagot ay 48. So, mga factors ng 60. Ito, sinulat natin. Yung mga nandito na lahat. And then, yung factors ng 80. And the factors of 48. And then, next step, find the common factors. Ano yung mga numbers na pare-parehas na meron sila? So, lahat sila merong 1, lahat sila merong 2, lahat sila merong 4. Yan. Dito, wala ang 3 sa 80. So, 4 meron. So, the common factors are 1, 2, and 4. And then, tignan na natin yung pinakamalaki. Yun na yung greatest common factor. The greatest common factor of 60, 80, and 48 is 4. Another way is factor 3. 3 is a tool that breaks down any number into its prime factors. So let us find again the greatest common factor of 60, 80, and 48 using factor 3. Unahin natin ang 60. Ano yung mga factors ng 60? We have here 10 times 6 is 60. And then yung 10, pwede pa siyang i-factor. Pwede pa natin kunin yung factor nito. We have 5 times 2. Ganon din yung 6. Ang factors ng 6, 3, and 2. The next number is 48. Let us also get the factors of 48. We have here 6 times 8 is 48. And let us also factor or break down 6 That is 2 times 3 is 6. And also let's break 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Since kung titignan natin, meron pang pwedeng i-break down dito. We have here 4. Factors of 4, 2 times 2. And then bring down yung mga numbers na wala ng factors. Next, 80. The factors of 80, we have here 8. Then, yung 4 pwede pang i-break down. We have here 2 times 2 equals 4. Then, bring down also 2, 2, and 5. Next step, sulat na natin yung mga factors nila. Simulan natin sa pinakabababa. We have 2, 3, and 5. And then, for 48 naman, 2, 2, and then yung 3. Ganon din sa 80. Factors of 80. And then, titignan natin yung mga numbers na parehas na meron sila. Pinag-multiply natin yan. Kinuha natin. Ito na yung mga common factor nila. 2 times 2 equals 4. So, the greatest common factor of these numbers is 4. How about using continuous division? Use prime numbers as the divisor. So what is a prime number? A prime number is a whole number greater than 1 with only 2 factors, 1 and itself. For example, the number 2, for example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13 are the first few prime numbers in the set of whole numbers. Ang factor lang nito ay 2 at saka 1. Ganon din yung 3, 3 at 1 lang. Yung 5, 5 at 1, and so on. So these are prime numbers. So let us divide 60, 48, and 80 by 2. Kasi ito lang yung, bakit 2 ang ginamit natin? Kasi ito lang yung prime number na pwedeng makadivide sa kanilang tatlo. Then, next step, 60 divided by 2 is 30, 48 divided by 2 is 24, 80 divided by 2 is 40. And then, again, mag-iisip ulit tayo ng number or prime number na pwedeng makadivide sa kanila. Itong natirang ito. Itong mga sagot. And that is 2 again. So, divide 30, 24, and 40 by 2. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 40 divided by 2 is 20. Let us now multiply our divisor. 2 times 2 equals 4. So the greatest common factor of 60, 48, and 80 is 4. Finding the common multiples and least common multiple or LCM of 2 to 4 numbers. We have here a problem. Bea loves to bake cookies. She sold chocolate chip cookies of a package of 8 and oatmeal cookies for a package of 12. If Leah wants to buy the same number of cookies per pack, what could be the least number of cookies that she can buy? We will use a listing method to find the LCM or the least common multiple of the given numbers. Multiples of 8. So, nandito, lahat, or yung 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24, 8 is 32, 8 times 5 is 40, and so on. So, para mas madali, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 times 8, 56, and so on. So, ganun din ang multiples of 12. Nandito na rin, nakasulat na, nakalista na. And then, tinignan na natin yung number o yung pinakamaliit na number na magkaparehas or parehas na meron sila. And this is 24. So, the least common multiple of 8 and 12 is 24. Next, factor 3 again. Let us find the least common multiple of 8 and 12 using factor 3. First na kapag minultiply natin, ang sagot ay 8. So we have here 2 and 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And then pwede pa rin natin i-break down yung 4. We have here the factors 2 and 2. And then next, let us also break down the factors of 12. We have here 3 and 4. That is 12. And then pwede pa rin natin i-break down yung 4. The factors are 2 and 2. Next, sinulat na natin yung mga common, yung mga factors nila. We have here 2, 2, 2 for 8. And then for 12, we have 3, 2, and 2. And then tinignan natin yung common factors nila. Now, and then we multiply them, and the answer is 24. So the answer or the least common multiple of 8 and 12 is 24 using factor 3. Next, using continuous division, let us again find the LCM of 8 and 12. Ang ginamit ulit na divisor is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And then we can still divide this one. And then the divisor is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Since wala na ang pwedeng makadivide sa dalawang ito, maliban sa 1, hanggang dito na lang ulit yung pag-divide natin. So, kukunin na natin yung divisor at saka yung quotient natin or yung sagot natin. Let us multiply 2 times 2. Ito na lahat. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 and the answer is 24. Those are the ways or method in finding greatest common factor